All right, let's take a tour of a really strategic home choice in Cypress, Texas.
Okay, come on in. Right away, you just feel that quality and style.
Just off this bright entryway, look to your left, a home office with French doors.
And check out this kitchen. Quartz counters, gas cooktop, and a huge island.
Now this is key. All 3 bedrooms, everything you need is on this ground floor.
All right, let's check out the primary suite. It's a real retreat, designed for privacy.
And the ensuite bath has it all. Dual vanities and a beautiful walk-in shower.
So, what makes this layout so smart? It's this unique 1.5-story design.
The entire second floor is this huge, flexible game room with its own full bath.
Okay, let's head outside. You've got this great covered patio for year-round use.
And just look at this lot from above. It's huge, private, and totally pool-ready.
Being on a quiet cul-de-sac means way less traffic and a lot more safety.
But here's where the real strategic value comes in.
You're zoned for some of the absolute best schools in Cypress Fairbanks.
So you're investing in a top-tier education, not just a massive mortgage.
So, do you need more space or just a smarter space? This home makes a great case.